Hello everyone, this is Toner Gondola and this is my channel. I am inviting you for the launching of my free daily live tutorial starting December 14 of this year 2020 from 6 to 7 o'clock in the morning Philippine Time, and that is Monday. The schedule will be from Monday through Friday of the same time. That would be a regular daily session. You can click now the subscribe button below so that you will be automatically notified once it is live, and you can attend regularly and won't miss out the live discussions. Thank you and see you soon, guys. Bye.